Tonight is about giving you a chance to network, and through our speakers and presentation, we hope you'll get a real flavour of what North Wales can offer in terms of skills, opportunities and potential for growth.
North Wales has over 27,000 businesses and a vibrant economy with key strengths in manufacturing, energy, food and outdoor experience tourism. It has an attitude that is business focused and positive, based on what's been achieved so far, but with a clear view of the potential growth opportunities in the future. The North Wales Economic Ambition Board plans, coordinates and makes connections in order to ensure the future success and prosperity of this important region. It plays a part in telling my department how we need to direct our resources to meet skills needs so that the workforce of the region is geared to the challenges and opportunities of the future. It's my very great hope that the example of the North Wales Economic Ambition Board can provide a model to the rest of Wales about how effective regional skills development can be delivered.
Projects have been driven by the Interregional Development Fund and the Ireland-Wales or Wales-Ireland networks. And these are largely innovation and skills networks where we're actually trying to develop innovation, co-develop innovation within our two communities. We do have a lot in common. We do share a beautiful country and we do share perhaps the same pressing needs to find a way to retain our people within our own communities.
The importance of the outdoor sector to North Wales in 2013 was estimated at £250 million a year, with an additional £300 million added value.
We need to think less restrictive and more inclusive. And we need to recognise that people are agents of change. It's people with the right skills that transmit innovation. You can put in place any innovation system you want, any institution you want. If people aren't actually going out and talking to one another, talking the same language, you ain't going to get innovation. We're looking towards the future and the future of the science-based industries, which are, as you will see, very well represented in North Wales. In the future, skills are going to be higher, they're going to be wider, they're going to be more interdisciplinary. So there's going to be development needs both for the existing workforce and for the new workforce we're hoping to bring in. You should expect this for a rapidly changing sector. It's a challenge, but it's also an opportunity.
We are going to make North Wales the centre of excellence to work with our neighbours, the northwest of England and also Ireland. We all, I think, through listening to the speeches that we've had, recognise the need to work together.
It's that getting people together, getting them talking, getting the message across.
What we've seen this evening has been such an exciting range of industries, very varied group of people who've come together to learn more about the area that they live and work in.
It's about relationships, I think. It's the relationships that are developing, evolving between industry and between the strategic partners in education and training. And if we can develop that further, then we can capture more investment into the region and make sure that we make a significant difference as well to the economic performance of North Wales.